This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get Gilgamesh in anime Vanguards Evo. First, it's crucial to understand the game's core mechanics for acquiring new units. Gilgamesh is a highly sought-after unit, frequently featured in limited-time events or specific game modes. Knowing how to effectively use your in-game currency, like gold or gems, is key to a successful acquisition strategy. To get Gilgamesh, focus on active events. For example, the Gilgamesh Familiar event often requires clearing specific stages, like Legend Stage Act 2 of Golden Castle. You might need to defeat certain bosses to get an item, such as the Key of Babylon. Once obtained, you'll typically need to spend a significant amount of in-game currency, like 50,000 gold, to activate it. Strategic gameplay is vital for unit activation. Equipping a Fate unit can sometimes boost your chances of acquiring necessary event items. Playing in Limitless mode allows for rapid stage completion, helping you gather resources efficiently. After securing the key and paying the gold, you'll often need to defeat a series of bosses, such as Heracles, Lilia, Archer, and finally Gilgamesh himself, to fully unlock the unit. To truly maximize your collection, engage with the game's community. Forums and guides offer advanced strategies for unit acquisition and optimal builds. Remember to continuously upgrade your Gilgamesh unit to unlock its full potential and dominate battles. Also, be sure to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals to enhance your gaming setup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.